Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make easy and quick pad thai. Shredded carrot, 1 bunch of chives, 1 diced shallot, bean sprout, 1 cup of tofu, chicken breast, add a pinch of salt and marinate it for 10 minutes. 3 tablespoons of tamarind sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and 4 tablespoons of water. Add a little bit of olive oil and tofu, stir for a couple of minutes. Add olive oil and chicken, stir for 3 to 4 minutes and set aside. Add olive oil, shallot, tofu, and chicken, stir for a couple of minutes. Add the sauce and the noodle and stir until it's soft. Put aside and add 3 eggs in the pan and mix it well. Last but not least, we adding chive, carrots, and bean sprout and mix it together. Okay, my pad thai is ready, guys. So now I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit fresh bean sprout on the top and a little bit of chive on the top, and don't forget peanuts. And then let's do the taste test, okay? Absolutely delicious.